My name is Streit. This is Vincent DiFrancesco, and this is Shaan Dahar. Our team name is the Large Caps. We are from the 8th grade. We represent the Cincinnati Country Day School, and our teacher is Mrs. Lewis. We won the fall game and the spring game. At the end of the 10-week period for the fall game, we gained a total of $115,000. Spring game, we gained a total of $111,000. There are over 100 stock exchanges worldwide, many including NYSE, NASDAQ, and Amex. And there's also many stock indices, both global and national. These include the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500. So the New York Stock Exchange is based in New York. It merged with the European Stock Exchange in 2007, and that is now known as the NYSE Euronext. The NYSE Euronext still uses the outcry system for floor trading, but not nearly as much as they use electronic trading. It is comprised of some of the world's biggest companies, and foreign companies can join too, but only if they comply with the listing standards.
The rules of the game were that it was a 10-week period. We got to start off with $100,000. We could buy stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. We could buy stocks, sell stocks, or short sell stocks if we thought they were going to go down. There was also a 1% commission on all purchases. We all had equal roles in the game. We all recommended stocks. We also independently looked for stocks. We consulted about stocks together, decided investments as a team, and invested together. Some key terminology that we think everybody should know is the price per share, the price of a share of stock, the volume of a stock, the price to earning ratio, the dividend, the initial public offering, diversification, getting stocks from different sectors and industries, the beta, the volatility of a stock, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, a bull market, which is a market that goes up, and a bear market, a market that goes down.
There are three stock classifications on the market. There is a small cap company, a company that is less than $2 billion in value, a mid cap company, a company that is between $2 billion and $10 billion in value, and a large cap company, a company that is over $10 million in value. One of the strategies we used in the game was beta factors. A low beta, for example a beta of 0.5, experiences less of a gain or a loss when the market does. They are less volatile. Medium betas, for example betas of 1, are less risky, but they follow the trend of the market and rise and fall when the market does. High betas, for example betas of 2, exaggerate the trend of the market and rise and fall more than the market does. They are riskier than the market. Our main strategy was to invest in 2 high beta stocks. One was Clayton Williams Energy with a beta of 3.51. The other was Cheniere Energy with a beta of 5. We invested in one low beta stock, Amazon, which has a beta of 0.79, and one medium beta stock, Williams-Sonoma, with a beta of 1.29. We also invested in Nike, a stock that was recommended on the top 50 stocks in the NASDAQ, and Nike has a beta of 0.7. I recommended that we invest in oil and natural gas because it is a growing industry. Natural gas is used to heat our homes. Oil is used to manufacture many plastic products, such as those we use in our everyday lives. Oil is also used to fuel our cars. The reason that the oil and gas industry is growing is because people are using it every day. Clayton Williams Energy was the first of 2 energy companies that we invested in. It had a high beta of 3.51. Its price per share was around $53, and we bought 300 shares equating to about $16,000. It is a small cap company, and its industry is oil and gas. Clayton Williams Energy currently owns more than 314 miles of oil pipeline across the southern United States. Clayton Williams Energy performed the best out of all of our stocks. It had a gain of 43.54%. It went from $56.61 to $81.24. Cheniere Energy was the second energy company that we invested in. It had a high beta of 5.21. Its price per share was about $35, and we spent about $10,000 on Cheniere Energy. The large cap company at $10 billion, and its industry is oil and gas. Cheniere Energy is based in Texas and operates throughout the southern United States. We had a 15.1% gain on Cheniere Energy. It went in a 10-week period from around $35 to $40.
So here we are at Williams-Sonoma. This is one of the stocks I chose. The strategy that I used for this was, at the time it was Christmas, and they had actually just came out with a brand new line of products. So I thought I would invest in that. It is a cute store that is worldwide. Williams-Sonoma is a medium beta stock at 1.29. Its price per share is $55.08. We bought 300 shares for $16,000. It's a mid-cap company at $5.24 billion. Its sector is services, and its industry is home furnishings. Over the 10-week period, we started off with $55.08 and ended at $58.22. So we had a 5.7% gain. So the second stock I chose was Amazon. You know, Amazon is a great shopping website. One, because it's very versatile. It carries all different kinds of products. And two, you can access it from both your computer and your phone. Now, at the time of the fall game, it was about to be Christmas, so many people would be ordering from Amazon for Christmas shopping. They also just came out with their brand new Kindle. Amazon is a low beta stock at 0.79. Its price per share is $318.03. It is, we bought 100 shares for $31,000. It is a large cap company at $143.81 billion. Its sector is services, and its industry is catalog and mail order houses. So we started off with $318.03, and we ended with $384.24 with a 20.82% gain.
Here we are at a footwear store, and one of the stocks I chose is being sold here. Nike. Nike is a sports apparel and equipment store. They also sell equipment, but they're mostly known for their very high quality brand of shoes, as you can see. Because it was Christmas time when the stock market game started, I thought to myself, hey, Nike shoes make for very great Christmas gifts, so there's bound to be a lot more purchases here. Also, Nike was recommended by various stock screeners on the internet. It's a low beta stock, 0.7. We chose it because we also want a low beta stock to round out the whole stocks. We bought 300 shares of Nike. Its price per share was about $72. Its sector is consumer goods, and the industry is textile, apparel, footwear, and accessories. We did well with Nike. We had a 5.42% gain from $72 to $76. Some of the resources we used were MSN Money and Yahoo Finance. We used those to as stock screeners. We used the Motley Fool and Investopedia to check on the stocks. Also, we used Investopedia to check on the terms. The final earnings for the fall game were over $115,000.
Our strategy for the spring stock market game was similar to our strategy for the fall stock market game. We invested in Clayton Williams Energy, Cheniere Energy, Energy Transfer Partners, Isramco, Facebook, Williams-Sonoma, and Amazon. For a 10-week period for the spring game, we earned over $111,000. We got first place in the state for the spring game. During the fall and spring games, we learned how to invest in high and low beta stocks, how to diversify our portfolio across different sectors and industries, how to use the holiday season to our advantage, and how to look from the perspective of the consumer. For example, we knew that Amazon was going to go up because a lot of people will be buying their Christmas presents from Amazon. We also learned to predict the gain or loss of a stock from looking at various online resources. We also analyzed stocks using Yahoo Finance and MSN Money.
We'd like to thank the UC Center for Economic Education, the Stock Market Game International, SIFMA, Cincinnati Country Day School, and finally our teacher, Mrs. Lewis.